Hello, I'm Rosani, a biomedical doctor and master student in biophotonic medicine in Universidade 9 de Julho. I'm excited to share my research with you today. My advisor is Professor Cynthia Duran, and my line of research focuses on such as the effect of photobiomodulation associated with sodium dexamethasone phosphate on the expression of inflammatory cytokines and nitric oxide inactivated M1 profile macrophages. I will cover some of the most interesting and relevant aspects of my work during this presentation. Inflammatory process. Immune system response to injury or infection. This is a fundamental part of the body's defense mechanism against foreign substances. It's a general immune response. This process is elaborated and mediated by different cytokines, which can have pro or anti-inflammatory action. Inflammation stages, vascular response, transition of infiltrates, changes, microvessels, vasoconstrictions, and vasodilatation. Migration of leukocytes to the site of injury. Phagocytes of apoptotic cells by macrophages. Repair and regeneration involve the degradation of pro-inflammatory agents and the release of anti-inflammatory mediators, mainly by macrophage in tissues. The activation of M1 macrophage is a crucial part of the immune response to infection and inflammation. When exposed to specific signals during infections, macrophages release pro-inflammatory cytokines, enhance their ability to engulf and destroy pathogens, and produce toxin substances that help fight infections. This activation also leads to localize inflammation at the infection site, aiding in the elimination of invasive pathogens. Dexamethasone, DEXA. It's a synthetic glycocorticoid with anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive effects. Inflammatory diseases, allergic diseases, skin conditions, ulcerative colitis, arthritis, lupus, psoriasis, respiratory diseases, and side effects, coronary risk, hypercholesterolemia, hypertriglyceridemia, decreased glucose intolerance, etc. Photobiomodulation, FBM. Use of light sources to modulate biological process. Benefits: stimulates hands and tissue regeneration, reduction of inflammation, pain relief and reduced sensibility, stimulation of collagen synthesis and improvement of skin quality, improvement of local blood circulation. Justification. Photobiomodulation has a positive effect on immune system cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, promoting the modulation of the inflammatory response. It can improve the activity of macrophages in removing dead cells and cellular debris, contributing to a more efficient resolution of the inflammatory process. Both photomodulation alone and this combination with corticoids shows potential in modulation the expression of inflammatory cytokines by M1 macrophage. To evaluate the effect of photobiomodulation associated with disodium dexamethasone phosphate on the expression of inflammatory cytokines and nitric oxide in activated M1 profile macrophages. Experimental draw. J774 macrophage cell line HCC activated to induce differentiation to the M1 phenotype will be treated with a demand solution containing LPS and interferon gamma for 2 hours. Flowchart. The study will use J774 macrophages in 7 experimental groups. Grupo control groups, J774 cells without any treatment. M1 groups, J774 activated to the M1 phenotype. M1 plus PBM group J774 activated to the M1 phenotype and submitted to PBM. M1 plus FD DEXA 2 micromole group including the DEXA treatment. M1 plus FD DEXA 4 micromole group. M1 plus FBM plus FD DEXA 2 micromole group, M1 more FBN plus FD DEXA 4 micromole group. Duplicate analysis will be concluded for each group. To active G774 macrophages to the M1 phenotype, they will be exposed to specific conditions, including LPS and interferon gamma for 2 hours at 37 degrees with 5% CO2. The PBM groups will be irradiated with a laser and FD-DEXA at 2 micromole and 4 micromole will be added to the corresponding groups. After treatment, all cells groups will be incubated for 24 and 48 hours at 37 degrees with 5% CO2. At the end of the incubation, the culture medium will be collected and the total protein will be quantified using a nanospectrophotometer nanodrop. The systems of cytokines in IL-C, IL-1 beta, and TNF-alpha, as well as nitric oxide NO system, will be analyzed using ELISA and the GRIS method respectively. The experiments will be performed in triplicate and the data will undergo statistics. We will use the photobiomodulation parameters as shown in the table. These are the bibliographic references used in this study. Thank you for the attention. I hope that you could understand and enjoy it. Thank you.